What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. In this one, we have a rivalry game against Stanford. So let's get into this episode and see if we can't keep our win streak alive and get one step closer to winning the Heisman. So before we hit our normal weekly agenda, I want to show you guys, I talked about at the end of the last episode, we have officially moved up to the #1 spot on the Heisman watch list. We've done this a couple times before, so hopefully we can keep it going for the rest of the season and maybe win a Heisman in our final season. But let's hop into the weekly agenda. I'm going to up my health. We're going to put a whole bunch of school. We're going to I don't know, for some reason in our final season we're going to be a genius because we're only taking 2 classes, you know. So we're just going to put everything in here for now. And we do have 4 skill points, so I'm going to upgrade us to Silver Extender. So we'll put 3 in there. Okay, I don't know if we'll be able to get gold, because we've got to get up to an 89, but at least we've got silver in that, and I think we start getting some other badges, and I think that'll be kind of what we do for the rest of the season. But we are heavy favorites against Stanford. It's the Battle of the Legends trophy, and we're just gonna let's try a different uniform. What have we done? We've done the alternate. We've done the have we done the shamrock? We haven't done the shamrock, so let's go with the shamrock uniform for this rivalry game. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, defense gets a stop, and what do you know, guys? It is raining again. But the defense starts out there, gets a stop, and we are back in these shamrock unis in the rain. And there we go. We get a big completion to start the game. That's what we like. I don't know why it rains so much here. I feel like in real life it doesn't rain this much, but maybe it's a weird year, you know? We're gonna hit E again. Ooh, he holds on to it. Nice. Try to mesh them to death. See if we can't get E on this corner now. I'm gonna put Posey on a slant as well. There we go. Hey, man. Oh, good spin. We're off to a good start. I just jinxed this whole game, but, you know, that's what we do here on this channel. We jinx it. Oh, go, go, go. Oh, good. That was awkward. Okay, we're gonna hit the inside zone. Do we have any good motion stick? Ooh, I do like that. Yeah. Go get open, E. Go get the first down. Oh yeah, run him over. First down. We'll post. I think what are we on, the 14? We're a little too far for that. Well, we could try it. We can change them into slants, right? Right, guys? Yeah. Just change these into slants. Same play, but slants instead of posts. Oh. Wow, that corner came out of nowhere and recovered really fast. I'm gonna call an RPO, but whoa. I'm gonna possibly try to, yeah. Let's keep you into block. Hey man, I'm gonna have you run a slant. Hopefully E gets open in that back corner. There we go. Touchdown! Let's go! Only 57 yards though. We need to get some yardage going. Game's trying to make sure we don't win the Heisman by giving us rain games where we can't pass like we want to. Don't want to do a QB wrap. No thank you. We're trying to stay healthy. Did we try this mesh? I guess we can. Posey might be able to get over that guy. He's got deep help. We're gonna run for this one. Go block. Or just watch that guy hit me. Action jet sweep. Okay, we're gonna call a run here. We're gonna... Do we like this? Let's see. Give Burbank a chance. Okay, that linebacker read that perfectly. Flood levels. Oh, good catch. Nice. Good job, E. He bails us out on that one. Do that. And you're gonna go here. And you're gonna go here. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, I thought it was gonna get him. Thought I had enough. Is that the end of the quarter? Looks like it. 7-0. We'll take that. We have crazy time of possession. 4 minutes. We got 2nd and 10. Start. They're calling an inside zone. I think this double post could be open. Oh gosh. Gammon was open, but he got a good block there. Oh, what a tackle. Okay, we are moving. Shock Y option. And I want you to for sure run a slant. E, I'm just going to have you run a streak because I'm going to give this to Posey. Maybe not, but we don't get a sack. Okay, we're gonna call this, and we're gonna audible, yeah, to the drag under. I like that. Can E get open? Get upfield, Telford. I gotta put that in front of him so we can run. Let's see what kind of box they give us. Do the same thing, but we're gonna have you drag as well. We're gonna have you block. Let's go. Let's ride. Boom. Terrible ball, but he catches it. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Okay, they get another stop on defense. Defense is a machine right now. Good catch. Bad ball, but good catch. He gets falls forward too. How much time do we have? Okay, we got plenty of time. 3 minutes. Oh, Telford, get open, please. Please get open, sir. Oh, he just drops it right in his hands. What are you doing, E? Can't drop those. Been gassing you up all game. Catch that one. Oh, back-to-back drops. Oh, the rain. The rain is fun. Man, he definitely had those too. Okay, they get 3. And use up some clock. So, let's start with the pass. Per our usual. Get something. I'm gonna try the bench play here. See if Posey can't get open, and I'm gonna have you do that. You get right up the seam. Oh, he caught that red ball. He catches. Posey, you are a beast. That was a terrible throw by me. He bails us out. Place the blitzer. Oh, gets stood up and then just gets destroyed. Uh-oh, we lose a center. Try the bench again. It worked last time. Looks like it could be open again. We're gonna have you do that. Do kind of the same build. Posey's not gonna be open. He's playing on the outside shade of him. Oh, maybe he is. Get it and score. Oh, he gets in. Let's go. Get it one more time. We're just gonna run this out. We got 20 seconds. We're gonna give Burbank some yards and some carries. There you go, buddy. Coach wants to throw the ball again. We'll get up there and maybe take some cheap yardage. Sure. There we go. We got over 200 in the first half. Okay, start the second half. We get the ball. I think if we get a score here, it kind of puts it out of reach for them. I mean, I've seen crazier things in this game, but usually, oh, we get a flag. What's the flag? Incomplete pass. Oh, and a hold. That's cool. Well, this drive might be over before it even begins. Accepted it. Play action cross. This play is interesting. Get some of it back. There we go. Okay, we got 2nd and 13. Just keep the ball moving. Moving and grooving. I want Posey to run a slant. Oh, gets deflected. Okay, we got 3rd and long. Coach isn't really giving us any plays that I think are going to get this first down. So let's see if we can't audible some guys and do it ourselves. Another hold? Come on. 2 holds in 1 drive. See, this is why the games are never over. Because the game ensures that you do not pull away too crazy sometimes. Okay. Well, all that for not very much by them. Let's go with the run. Get the defense to start cheating up some. and then throw it over their heads. That's the game plan right now. Oh, see, they're wanting to do it. They're wanting to let me throw it to Posey. They want it. That's what the game wants, right, guys? The game wants that throw. It's not there. Oh, the defense. Man. Let's do this. See, again, could get open. Kind of hoping E gets open. Get it, E. Oh. Man, we've had like 4 drops this half. 4 or 5 drops. Defense is still holding them. It's like we come out of the clouds when we call those plays. I don't know, guys, if you guys have noticed that. It's like super white. Oh, go, 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 go. There we go, Burbank. Get those corners cheating. Corners and safety start cheating, please. Oh, they're starting to. Is coach gonna let us? We gotta give him a chance. Hey! Oh, and he fell down in the end zone. There we go. Number 4 on the day. Not a lot of yards, which I don't know if the Heisman, like, if I have like a gajillion touchdowns, but not a lot of yards, will we win the Heisman? That's the question. Oh, go get it. That's why I've been kind of trying to at least get like 300 a game, if we can. You run that. And you run a slant. Everything coming this way. Could be good, could be bad. There we go. Good catch. Good catch, sir. I'm gonna call it read option. Does Butters want to run this, or do we just give the ball up? We give the ball up. I could have ran. Probably should have ran. But still very worried about the injuries. Do the slot drive. Have you come back this way, Posey. Get that defense going both ways. Oh, I didn't see that guy. Crap. Dang it. That was a good defense. I did not even see him. Man, I don't know how many that is on the year for us. Not great, though. Not great. What happens if I run him on a streak? Does that kind of throw them all off? I'll have you drag. I'm going to have you do that. Is that... What does that do over there? Oh no, I hit the wrong button. But he catches it. Oh, he gets crushed. For some reason in my brain, the halfback was Y. So, glad that worked out. Because that would have been bad. We don't want to end with 2 interceptions. As I say that, as we probably throw an interception here. Oh, man. That's okay. Incompletion's okay. Up. You run a little slower that. There we go. Wow, he caught that. I just threw him the worst murder ball of all time. He's like, Kyle, don't throw me that ball ever again. Sure. Burbank, just, you know, you got a wide open hole. Wide open hole. Why would you go for that? Let the all go. What do is you this way, and you that way. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. We're gonna see where that goes. Oh, that was close to pass interference. Ooh, I haven't tried the wide trail this close to the end zone. It's kind of used to be our game starter every game. Could be interesting. It's okay. We are going to get 3, guys. We're going to get 3. Try the screen. We haven't run it. Oh, well, let's flip this play around because we haven't run a screen in a long time. Get some yards. Blood levels. I think I want to flip it. Yeah. Yeah. Good catch. There we go. Here we go. Do another read option. Just gonna give this unless it's like so open. Oh, nice juke. Burbank with the little moves. Let's try the wide trail again. We're kind of the same area. It didn't really get open last time. I think there's just not enough space for it to really get open. Get up. Oh gosh, that guy tackled him right as he caught it. Coach, I would like a good slant play. Please. Curl combo. Have you do that. You do that. Sure. Wasn't paying attention. 2-minute warning. Okay. Well, do this. You slant and you slant, and then E. Can I get you to do an out? There we go. At least get the first down. Ace. That's what we like. We like first downs. E, can you do it again? Oh, it gets tipped. Come on. I can just do that. Hopefully Burbank gets out in a route. I just get crushed. Slot drive. You coming over this way. I need you coming back this way. All kinds of chaos in here. Find somebody open, Kyle. Why did you stop running? Just keep going. You had the whole sideline. Oh, game. Okay. Well, guys, we're gonna run this one out. Unless they do some kind of crazy Press coverage. Run this one out. Get another W. Okay, we're gonna just see what it looks like. We'll do one more, you know. I said this would be, we would just run it out, but we're gonna do one more. Oh, if that's in front of him, he gets a lot of yards. Okay, for now, for real, this is the last play. We're not even, let's call one more. Yeah, let's go. Oh, he gets a big run. And then we get to take a knee. Okay, that was a good one. We had that one interception, a little bit of a blemish, but you know, we get the trophy. Battle of the Legends. We've won 29 times. That's crazy. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. It was a good one, and we were able to pull off another W. But as always, thank you guys for sticking around and watching. If you could please hit the like and subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll catch you all in the next episode. Peace.